How to use a debit Visa gift card on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll show you how to use a debit Visa gift card on Roblox. It's a simple process, so follow along carefully. A Visa debit gift card works just like a standard debit card. To buy Robux, visit the Robux website and proceed to check out after you select anything you would like to purchase. For now, let's go ahead and click on the premium option over here in the left side. Then click on get premium option and select any of the premium membership. From here, click on subscribe now. And from the payment option, you just have to select choose a debit card payment option that is just below the credit card. Once you click on it, you will be taken to another new page where you have to enter the correct form of your email address in the first field, followed by the card information, its expiry date, and the CVV code that you can find in the back of your card. Now simply enter the full name of the card holder and also select the country and the reason you would like to purchase for. And finally, check this option over here in order to agree to the terms and conditions of the Roblox. Now click on subscribe now, and this way you can use Visa debit gift card to buy anything from Roblox. But if your card is not accepted, unfortunately you can't use it for the purchase. This video aims to inform you that using a Visa debit gift card on Roblox is possible, but some specific may ones not work. So if this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.